What if your next family getaway could spark imagination, fuel adventure, and deliver fun for all ages, without the crowds of bigger cities? That's the magic of Indianapolis, a Midwest gem filled with interactive museums, lush green parks, and playful surprises around every corner. Your journey should begin at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis, the largest of its kind in the world. From dinosaur fossils and a full-size indoor carousel to space exploration zones and a towering glass sculpture by Dale Chihuly, this place redefines what a museum can be for kids. It's not just educational, it's electric with energy. If your crew loves the outdoors, head straight to White River State Park, a beautiful oasis in the heart of the city. Rent bikes or take a paddleboat ride, then make your way to the Indianapolis Zoo, where children can feed flamingos, meet dolphins, and walk among butterflies in the Hilbert Conservatory. For some hands-on learning and creativity, Conner Prairie offers a living history park experience unlike any other. Families can step back in time, interact with costumed interpreters, and even ride a tethered hot air balloon for panoramic views of Indiana's countryside. Sports fans? Indianapolis doesn't disappoint. Take a tour of Lucas Oil Stadium, home of the Colts, or visit the NCAA Hall of Champions, where kids can test their skills in sports simulators. Need to slow things down? Spend the afternoon at Holiday Park, where trails wind through forests and playgrounds invite imaginative play. Cap the day with a sweet treat at the Cake Bake Shop, a fairy-tale-like cafe offering desserts that delight all ages. Indianapolis is more than a pit stop, it's a family destination bursting with discovery, culture, and heart. Whether it's your first visit or your fifth, Indy has a way of making every family moment unforgettable. Which of these adventures would your family try first?